You know what's crazy to me? People off the street can buy like a package for like $199 to like $399 for a 5-day 4-night stay. Of course, you do have to do a tour, but you can usually book 30 to 60 days out. And you're treated like gold, you can upgrade, so on and so forth, ask for more money, and they'll give it to you. But once you purchase the actual timeshare, you have to book 10 to 13 months out, and it's harder to use your points for locations after that. And it doesn't matter what you ask, like they'll just try to market and make you buy more. I just feel like once they get your money, you're no longer like a priority. They just want more people to sign on. It's just insane to me. I know that only a percentage of the resorts are for owners and the rest is for marketing or people that like just buy the actual like week off the street. But I think that's like the most messed up thing about it. It's like you're just not treated well as an owner once you purchase. And even if you try to bank your points with RCI or International, if the resort and the location isn't available, you have to pay even more money. That is just the biggest scam to me. And I think that's such a slap in the face for people that are paying like $1,500 to $2,000 like a year in maintenance.